trippy, dude. Whoa, don't have a seizure, man. Whoa. That is wild, man. Are you okay? You sucked in? So today we're going to be recording our adventure on the Insta360 X5. It's the brand new camera from Insta360, and apparently it does excellent at night. So we're going to get some really cool night shots out here. You excited, Wow Man?
Yeah!
Yeah! So it's lighting in here. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Is it like a horror film? Yeah, this teaches them to be creative. Look at that. Look at this place. Whoa.
I just want the height.
Wow, dude, we're at the lookout. We're going from the second floor restaurant down to the first floor now. And we're gonna see the new area. Emergency exit. Let's go out.
Wow, that was an emergency exit only.
What's the cost? $57 each.
Okay, alright. You guys, go, 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 go! This is crazy. You're in a race car. Come on, let's go, let's go. Works well in the low lighting, apparently. No flash needed. That's the word on the street. We'll have to see how this thing turns out. This is my first opportunity to use it in a dark environment. It's actually the perfect test environment to see what it can pick up. All different sorts of lighting in here. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Little creepy. It's like a Star Wars ship, that thing.